Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy stars on Telegram, the platform's new in-app currency that lets you support your favorite creators and unlock cool features. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest, safest way to get stars directly in the Telegram app, even if you've never done it before. So let's jump right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, Telegram stars are like little tokens you can use within Telegram, and purchasing them is super straightforward because Telegram uses the built-in systems you're already familiar with, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. You don't need to set up new accounts or trust any sketchy websites. Everything happens right inside the Telegram app or through Telegram's official premium bot. Let's focus on the easiest way, buying stars right from your Telegram app on iOS or Android. It's as convenient as buying an app or making any in-app purchase, and I'll walk you through every step so you know exactly what to expect. Start by launching your Telegram app. Just tap the familiar paper airplane icon and make sure you're logged into your account. No need for desktop here, this method is designed for your phone or tablet. Now to get to the stars feature, you'll head over to your settings. On iOS, that's the gear icon in the bottom right corner, but if you're on Android, look in the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines usually up in the top left. Give that a tap. Inside the settings menu, scroll until you spot the option called My Stars. This is where you'll find all things related to stars, your balance, transaction history, and most importantly, where you can purchase more. Here's a tip, not everyone sees the My Stars option right away. Don't worry if you don't see it, Telegram sometimes hides it until you've interacted with a channel post that uses stars. So if it's missing, just go back and find a post from a creator who accepts stars. Look for content that's labeled with a star icon or says something about supporting with stars. Open it or try to send stars, and this should activate the feature in your settings. It's a little like needing a key to unlock a hidden menu. Once you have My Stars visible, tap on it and then look for Buy More Stars. This button lets you start the purchase process. Telegram will now present you with several options, like packages of 100, 250, or maybe even 500 stars. Pick a package that suits your needs. Think about what you plan to use your stars for, whether it's supporting your favorite channel, unlocking premium content, or just trying out the system. After you select your package, you'll see a familiar payment window pop up. This is the same system your device uses for apps and in-app purchases. On iOS, it could be your Apple ID funds or Apple Pay. On Android, it's tied into Google Pay or whatever card you've linked to your account. Go ahead and follow the prompts. You might need to scan your fingerprint, enter your passcode, or just confirm with Face ID. Take your time and double-check the amount before finalizing the purchase. And that's it. Your stars will be added instantly. You'll see your balance update right there in the app. If it takes a moment, don't stress. Sometimes there's a tiny delay, but they always show up. With those stars, you're ready to engage with the Telegram creator economy and explore everything new that Telegram has to offer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions about Telegram or stars in general. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.